Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Try to Speak. My name is Sulochana. I am a mother. I am a learner. Today I am here such a big platform on YouTube to share very close to my heart something that is my learning journey, my English learning journey. So, a few years ago, I started my journey with my son's book. I had a two strong reason that motivate me a lot. First, I am very passionate about this language. Second, I wanted to keep myself busy with some productive activities. For 2 years, I was so consistent, dedicated. I tried to every moment of my life to learn this language. And after 2 years, I wanted to grab the tuition class. But situation was not happening according to me. I was nervous. I was heartbroken because we can imagine 2 years is not a simple thing. It was a great chapter of my life. I had a lot of effort. I had a lot of struggle. Somewhere I know the meaning of word, but I didn't know how to pronounce. So you can imagine how much struggle I had faced. I did everything with love and hope. After that, I felt nervous. Then again, I looked back. How long journey I have completed, and I realized how improved I got. So some little voice I heard inside me, Sulochana, it was not failure. It was the good chance to grow yourself, to improve yourself. Please, stood up. And I again stood up and resumed my journey with hope and love. And I remember last year, since April, I started to work on a speaking skill. That time I was so consistent and I wanted to become fluent. So I did a lot of effort. I practiced a lot. I watched a movie. I read books. And I have taken some guides of teachers. And friend, you might be surprised. Just in one year, I am able to talk with people. And most important thing, I got good feedback with my teacher and speaking partner also. My confident rate. And now, friend, I see myself as a fluent speaker. So it was not about language, it was my patience, my struggle, dedication, and self growth. So, one message I want to give you: no matter what is your age, what is your background, your dedication, your consistency, your burning desire will take you forward. So, I hope my journey inspire you, motivate you, and it gives you to confident. You believe in yourself and start learning no matter where are you. So start your learning. I am here. We will learn together. We will grow together. And friend, if my journey inspire you, motivate you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. We will grow together. I am here to help you my learning experience. I hope it will help you